Hi, basically this is the idea that you need to click on this and get info, and if you select this part and right click, then you will see copy as path name. Just copy that, and I'll provide you this executable apps. Where is that? I'll provide you this rename files, so you just need to run this by double clicking on it, and it will ask you that enter the path of the parent folder, and then you can just paste the path. And before running this you need to press enter, but before running this let me show you that this file has this kind of naming convention right now, and press enter, and now you can see it correctly rename those file, this and this, and that's it. Thank you.